Hi, it's Angie at X5 driver. If you're new here, please like, share, subscribe. Video today regarding the BMW the 06 plate X5 that I was forced to buy when my 64 plate died on me. So an update on this in 2 years, how I managed with her. So when I bought her, I gave her a full service. And then after that she had a transmission fluid change. And then after that she failed her MOT. It's like in 2 years she's had 2 MOTs and 2 MOT fails. The first MOT was brake pipes, second MOT was the suspension. On the advisory there's 3 more suspensions to do and some brakes. There's 7,000 miles left on the brakes. So this X5, the 2006 plate, she's quite nice, guys. Like I said, when I bought her, I gave her a full service. Under warranty, they'd done the electrics, the airbags, the passenger seat, and they fixed the electrics as well in the stereo, the DVD player and all that palaver. So for 2 years owning this vehicle, she's had 2 MOTs which failed. Easily passed brake pipes for the one and suspension for the other. She's had, I refurnished the wheels with some lovely BMW paint, and I bought the centre caps as well. Someone nicked the badge, so I had to buy a new bloody badge for the bonnet. Apart from that, that's all the maintenance I've spent on it, to be fair, guys. And the EWS, that's about it, to be fair. Yeah, the EWS, they didn't charge me for that. It was just a quick, simple F1 setting. So I'm still quite in love with my vehicle. I'm still loving her. Yeah, she's brilliant, to be fair. I still love her to death. But she's had a bit of work done to her. I've spent quite a bit of money on her, and she will need more. Once I've completed the 3 more suspensions and the brakes, she's going to be sound as a pound, hopefully, for a 2006-year-old X5. I will be booking her in with a new garage, because I've got to sample all these repair garages now to see who's going to like me and who do I like to fix my cars. But this X5 for a 2006 model, I was quite lucky because I believe this generation was the last generation when they started putting in diesel particulate filters and all these colours inside the cars. So I haven't got the trouble that the 64 plate X5 has. Thank bloody hell. I wouldn't be able to cope. This X5, she's lovely. I love her. Even if I got a brand new car, which I won't, not for another 10 years I don't think, not until they've done some research into these vehicles, not getting none of my money, they can sponsor me and let me drive around in a beautiful brand new X5. I don't mind. But sorry, I'm not putting money into their pockets until they admit liability and stop hurting me. So thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for following me, and please like, share, subscribe for more content. I wish you all a lovely evening or morning wherever you are in the world. Thank you so much. Take care. Thank you. Goodbye.